Boom, what's up YouTube, man? It's your boy Lolo, man. How y'all doing, man? I just wanted to come through real quick and give y'all a quick gem on credit. It's disputing inquiries. So me personally, I would Google how removal inquiry letters, and it'll give you a bunch of templates. You just pick one that suits you. The one I usually use, I put it in the beginning of the video. But anyway, and I'm gonna put a link to a bunch of dispute letters and dispute inquiry letter formats in the description. But anyway, you start with the date, your name, social, your address, and then under that you want to do whichever credit bureau you're sending to, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. Then you want to do under that your reason. So when you do credit inquiries, you do request to remove unauthorized credit inquiries. Then you start with naming the inquiries that you want removed. And then you list all the inquiries you want removed, and then you start the body with this: to whom it may concern. I am writing to dispute the following information in my file. I recently received a copy of my credit report, and I noticed that there is unauthorized credit inquiries made by the companies above. Like I said, you list all the inquiries, you list all the companies that made the incorrect inquiries above. So, to my knowledge, I have not signed any documents authorizing the company in question to review my credit report. The listed inquiries was without authorization and for no legitimate business purposes. As such, it is a very serious error in my report. I never authorized such action, and this constitutes a violation of my rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act 604. Oh, I got a little hiccup in my shit. So, boom. As well as a violation of my rights to privacy. And I am requesting your credit bureau to initiate an investigation and determine responsible parties in this unauthorized credit inquiry. As part of your investigation, please send the names, business addresses, and phone numbers of those who made unauthorized credit inquiries so I can contact them directly. In addition, I respectfully request a copy of any documents on authorizing credit inquiries and signed on my behalf so that I may verify it's validated. So, for example, you send this letter out, they have 30 days to respond. If they don't send no proof that the debt is yours, they have to remove it. As part of the investigation, please, blah, blah, blah. In addition, I respectfully request a copy of any documents authorizing credit inquiry and signed on my behalf as that I may verify it's validated. If you find that I was not the one who authorized these inquiries, I ask that it be removed immediately from my credit file. Please be so kind as to forward me documentation that you have the authorized inquiry removed. If you find that I am in error, then please send me proof of this. Finally, I am requesting an update copy of my credit report, which should be sent to the address above. According to the provisions of 612, parentheses 15, USC 1681, parentheses, there should be no charge for this report. Your immediate attention to this matter is appreciated. Sincerely, your name. Then you want to send, verification of ID, driver's license, social security card, utility bill, passport, something like that. But like I said, you send this letter, you send it certified mail so you can keep track, because you know how these people is. You'll send them a letter, they'll say they never got it. So you send it certified mail so you can keep track of the letter. And like I said, make sure that you have proof of your identity in there, or they'll just throw it away or send it back. But yeah, man, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be putting links of different letter templates in the description. So, if instead of going to Google, y'all can just look there and just check out different templates that suit you, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, this Mr. Get It Gone, man. I'm out.